Hello, my name is Michael Mara, coming to you from Marine Max in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you through our brand new 2024 276 by Sailfish full console. So, if we look up front, you have a huge, expansive bow seating area here. We have some armrests that come down. We have lit up speakers as well as 4 cup holders. And we have a plate here. This is for a table. So you can entertain up here, have a little cocktail party, dinner, lunch, whatever you want to do, but you do have the room up here to enter. So here you have a wind door that separates the bow from the cockpit, which is nice. It does protect the people in the cockpit from the elements when you're underway. So we'll shut this here. Let's look at the head. The head on this boat is huge. Fully finished head with a sink countertop. Step down into the hull. There's a lot of room for comfort and for maneuverability down there. Glove compartment here. And then on the helm of this boat, let's take a peek at this. This is so this boat is powered by the 225 Mercuries, which is a new power option for Sailfish on this model. So it does have the JPO joystick, which has Skyhook autopilot, and you can maneuver the boat any which way you want just by touching your fingertips. This is the new Mercury digital throttle system, push button start. Has active trim, all fly-by-wire, very smooth. Sailfish is very good with making everything forward for you. So you have twin screens, all your switches are right here, and your trim tabs are right here, right at your fingertips. So when you're running the boat, everything is right here. Very easy, very safe to use. So let's take a peek at the passenger seat here. So you have a tab here. If you look inside here, you'll see a cooler with a ladder. And then if you come back a little further, we have a built-in cooler here. Now this is a 4-point seat, so you can pull this up and go into different positions. 4 different positions. So this has the nice little sink in the back that you can comfortably sit 1 to 2 people in here, maybe 1 adult, 2 children. And then we have wraparound seating. These come up and out on starboard side as well as the stern. What's nice about this boat also, this boat, one of the options is the side door entry. So that ladder we saw up front hooks onto the deck here. You pull this over, that's how you get on and off the boat. And when you're done, very easy to secure back up when you're ready to go. Sailfish also gives us a nice size lit up live well. As you can see here, it's round, so it's better for your bait. Keeps your bait healthier and longer as you go through your day. Patented design by Sailfish also is this little so you can go skiing, tubing, all right off the front of the stern of your boat. And if you're not using it, you want to go fishing, you get it up out of the way, it goes down. These are just a few options here on our 276 Sailfish. If you would like to set up a time and come see this boat, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. And again, my name is Michael Mara. I look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.